Hey gorgeous, welcome. In this video, I'll be using KiaraSky acrylics. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. This color is called Encouragement. It's so beautiful and pigmented. I love how smoothly it goes on. So I didn't have a complete idea of how I wanted this look to turn out. Like, I had a couple of ideas in mind. I just didn't know how I was going to execute it. But I think the end result is pretty good, and I hope you like it. So I am out of frame for a little while, and it was kind of too late once I had noticed that I was out of frame that I had completed these two nails. This next color I'm using is called Pretty Things. It is a very gorgeous pink glitter. So here I'm redoing the middle finger because I had tried I was trying to do something different and it didn't work out very well. So I'm redoing Encouragement on the middle finger. So for the center of my flower, I'm using Baby Boo. I didn't like how it first turned out. It did look okay, but I had scraped it off while it was still a little bit of a wet bead. And so I used Baby Boo, and this is how it turns out. So I am doing the thumb last because I wasn't sure if I was actually going to do a design or not on it. But I wanted to give a kind of an idea of a complete look with these colors. So I do this design on the thumb and it turns out okay. I don't know if it would be like something that you would do, but if you come up with like a different design, comment it down below, and maybe I could recreate it in a video. this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you think. Tell me if you would have done anything different. Maybe I could try it out in a different video. I really hope you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!